Let's continue with our practice problem number 16. Suggest ways to minimize salt accumulation in garden soil to ensure healthy plant growth. So given need strategies to minimize salt accumulation. Required suggestion. So solution, periodic freshwater leaching, improve drainage and raised beds, blends, and then RO water if feasible, and then gypsum for sodic soils, mulch to reduce evaporation, avoid over-fertilization, rotate with salt-tolerant cover crops, and then monitor the EC. Final answer, leach plus drain plus better water quality plus soil amendments plus monitoring. Those are the ways to minimize salt accumulation in the garden soil in order to ensure healthy plant growth. We have practice problem number 17. Why might some salt-tolerant plants, halophytes, survive in high salt conditions while garden plants cannot? Given halophytes versus garden plants. So required, why halophytes survive? So our solution, halophytes possess salt exclusion or sequestration, succulent tissues, osmolyte production, salt glands. Garden plants generally lack those properties or characteristics. And then our final answer, specialized salt tolerance adaptation allows halophytes to maintain water balance most garden plants cannot. Practice problem number 18. A class collects weekly data on plant height under different salt concentrations. How should they present the result for clear comparison? So we're given weekly height data across salt levels. So required best presentation for comparison. So solution, use a line graph, height versus time, with separate lines for each concentration, or bar chart of final height with the error bars. Include table of means, plus and minus ST, standard deviation. So our final answer, multi-series time plot plus summary table with variability for clear comparison. Practice problem number 819. If the threshold concentration for preventing plant growth is 3%, what will happen to plants watered with 4% or 5% salt solutions? So we're given growth prevention threshold 3%. Required, what happens at 4% or 5%? So solution, above the threshold, there is a strong inhibition or cessation and potential mortality. So the final answer, 45% solution, prevent growth and expect severe stress and possible death. Practice problem number 20. Based on your investigation, what recommendation would you give gardeners about using tap water versus brackish water for irrigation? So we're given recommendation tap water versus brackish water for irrigation. And then required provide guidance. So solution. Tap water, usually low salinity, is safer. Brackish elevates soil salinity if only brackish is available. Dilute and then rotate fresh water, irrigation, and then leach. So the final answer, use tap or fresh water whenever possible. Avoid brackish irrigation or mitigate with dilution and periodic leaching of the brackish water. Our MCQ for our chemistry lesson Roman numeral number 10, the effect of salt concentration on plant growth. Number 1, what is the primary effect of high salt concentration in soil on plants? Letter A, increase water uptake. Letter B, reduce water absorption. Letter C, enhance root development. D, faster photosynthesis. Practice problem MCQ number 2. Salt in water affects plants mainly by causing letter A, osmotic stress, B, nitrogen fixation, C, excessive transpiration, D, higher chlorophyll production. MCQ number 3. Which garden plant would be most suitable for a classroom saltwater experiment? A, cactus, B, bean seeding, C, large mango tree, D, coconut seeding. MCQ number 4. What is the independent variable in an experiment testing salt concentration in water on plant growth? A, plant type, B, salt concentration, C, watering schedule, D, amount of sunlight. MCQ number 5. Which of the following is the independent variable in such an experiment? Letter A, height of the plant, B, amount of salt used, C, type of soil, D, type of container. MCQ number 6. What type of water should be used as the control group in this experiment? A, tap water, B, saltwater solution, C, distilled water, D, river water. MCQ number 7. Why does high salinity reduce plant growth? Letter A, it increases seed germination. Letter B, it prevents nutrient uptake. Letter C, it improves root absorption. Letter D, it increases the size of the leaf or the leaf size. Now, MCQ number 8. Which plant is first affected by salt stress? A, leaves, B, flowers, C, roots, D, fruits. MCQ number 9. What scientific method step is applied when recording plant height after watering with salt water? A, hypothesis, C. experimentation, C. data collection, D. conclusion. MCQ number 10. If salt concentration is too high, plants may show signs of A. leaf wilting and yellowing, B. increased fruit production, C. faster root growth, D. more chlorophyll. MCQ number 11. Which concentration is most likely to serve as the control treatment? A. 0% salt, B. 5% salt, C. 10% salt, D. 20% salt. MCQ number 12. What is the purpose of replicating plants in its salt concentration treatment? A. To increase variability, B. to reduce experimental error, C. to shorten experiment time, D. to test different plant species. MCQ number 13. Which soil type is most likely to be affected by salt accumulation? A. Sandy soil, B. Clay soil, C. Loamy soil, D. Rocky soil. MCQ number 15. Which of the following is a possible application of this experiment? A. Developing self-tolerant crops, B. Improving soil acidity, C. Increasing rainfall, D. Reducing plant transpiration. MCQ number 16. What is the best way to measure plant growth in the experiment? B. A. By color observation, B. By measuring the width of the leaf, letter C. By measuring the height of the plant or the biomass, letter D. By counting flowers. MCQ number 17. Which process is hindered when salt levels in soil are high? A. Photosynthesis, letter B. Osmosis, letter C. Respiration, letter D. Transpiration. MCQ number 18. A plant watered with salt water may eventually die because of A. lack of carbon dioxide, B. lack of oxygen, C. lack of available water, D. lack of soil microorganisms. We will have the next part of our chemistry lesson, Roman numeral number 10.